What's going up, all you real ones? Welcome back to the channel. It is good to see you today. If you haven't hung out with somebody in a while, well, hey, you get to hang out with me right now, and I appreciate hanging out with you. Today, we're going to talk about some fun stuff. We have a fun video here trying to help people that are beginning, or maybe even if you're a seasoned professional in affiliate marketing, trying to help you understand exactly what affiliate marketing is for beginners and how it can benefit you as an individual, especially in these times of where financial uncertainty is certainly there, where AI is potentially going to be taking over all of these jobs, and it's going to kind of create a big shortage in the job market. So what are you doing now to prepare for that? Well, I want to break some of that stuff down for you here live tonight, and also make it as simple as possible for all you beginners out there. So stick with me. Let's go. Affiliate marketing for beginners, a comprehensive guide to getting started. If you're new to the world of online marketing, you may have come across the term affiliate marketing and wonder, what is it all about? See, in this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, including what it is, how it works, and how to get started. Whether you're a blogger, website owner, or social media influencer, affiliate marketing can be a great way to monetize your online presence. So let's dive in and explore this exciting field. What is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where an advertiser or a merchant pays a commission to an affiliate marketer for promoting their products or services. The affiliate earns a commission for every sale, click, or lead generated through their unique affiliate link. This contains a special tracking code that enables advertisers to track the performance of the affiliate and attribute any sales or conversions to them. But how does affiliate marketing work? Well, the process of affiliate marketing involves three parties: the advertiser, the affiliate, and the consumer. The advertiser creates a product or service that they want to promote, and the affiliate promotes it to their audience. And when a consumer clicks on the affiliate's links and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. The advertiser benefits by gaining exposure and sales, while the affiliate earns money by promoting products that they believe in. So what do you need to do to get started with affiliate marketing? Well, if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, here are the steps you need to follow. Number one, you want to choose a niche. You want to select a niche or industry that you are passionate about and have some knowledge of. This will make it easier for you to create content and promote products that align with your interests and values. Number two, you want to find an affiliate program. So you want to look for affiliate programs in your niche that offers products or services that would appeal to your audience. There are several affiliate networks and marketplaces such as Amazon Associates or Share a Sale and Commission Junction that connect advertisers with affiliates. But one of the best opportunities out there right now for affiliate marketing, which is the OnlineBusiness.App, who provide multiple ways of earning income through their affiliate program, which is free to sign up, unlike other affiliate programs out there available to you. Here are three ways their affiliate program could help you become the next affiliate marketing success story. Number one, the OnlineBusiness.App affiliate program allows you to share our all-in-one website building software with ChatGPT and email broadcasting platform to earn unlimited 25% lifetime recurring monthly and yearly commissions. Number two, you can earn 25% lifetime monthly shopping cart checkout commissions when you refer customers and continue to make purchases in their online Amazon of the business world type marketplace, which features weekly launches of brand new men's, women, children's clothing, plus all of your daily use home and living products, and they're adding products daily. They also pay you 1 cent to $1 per lead that you generate on their email capture pages, and up to 25% commissions will be paid and sent to you directly every Monday for the lifetime of the referred customer purchase. This is why their online business app is a great choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals, which an affiliate program designed for you to be successful with a long-term sustainable partnership that they offer. Also, you're going to want to create content. Start creating content that allows you to promote products or services that you've chosen to promote. This could be in your form of a blog post, a review, or social media post, or even videos. Make sure your content is informative, engaging, and provides value to your audience. You also want to build an audience. You want to build an audience through your blog, social media accounts, or your email list. The larger and more engaged your audience is, the more potential sales and commissions you can generate. You also want to promote the products. You want to start promoting the products that you've chosen through your content and your referral links. You want to be transparent and disclose that you are an affiliate and will earn a commission if someone makes a purchase through your link. So here's a few tips for success in affiliate marketing. So here are some tips to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. So number one, you want to choose your products wisely. See, choose products or services that you genuinely believe in and that will provide value to your audience. Don't promote products solely for the sake of earning a commission. Number two, you want to build trust with your audience. You want to build trust with your audience by being transparent, honest, and providing valuable content. Your audience will be more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate link if they trust you and trust your recommendations. You also want to track your performance. You want to keep track of your performance and the performance of the products you are promoting. This will help you identify with what's working and what is not, and that'll allow you to make adjustments as needed. Also, you want to stay up to date. You want to stay up to date with industry trends, changes in affiliate programs, any new products or services that may be relevant to your audience. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and continue to provide value to your audience. So, in conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a great way to monetize your online presence and earn money by promoting products or services that work great for you and for your audience. You always want to make sure that you are honest with your audience and also yourself. You want to be a consumer of these products is usually best, so you can have that firsthand knowledge of how it feels or how it works. That way you can be completely transparent and honest with your audience when you are referring somebody to your affiliate marketing program that you decided to go with. So I really hope this helps you guys out tonight. With all the changes in the world and AI taking over a bunch of jobs and the changing in the marketplace and the financial uncertainty that could be right around the corner here for all of us, it is important that you have something that you can potentially rely on as a backup. Since most people don't have anything to back up, an affiliate program could be a fantastic, easy way, little to no money out of pocket for you to go ahead and establish yourself online with an affiliate program that could turn around and help benefit you and your family for the long run, and also help connect a customer and a advertising person or consumer. Connect these guys together so that they can help each other get the products and services that they want. See, it's all about helping your consumer get the products and services that they want. And then if they could potentially benefit from a discount because of your affiliate program, well, that creates a win-win-win for everybody in the situation involved. So I hope you guys had a fantastic evening tonight. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed content like this about learning about things like affiliate marketing and other stuff, go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and hit me up in the DMs. You can holler at your boy. You can leave a real one in the DMs if you like this and you had a good time tonight. So you guys know where to find me. Click that link below if you guys want to get signed up with the Online Business app free affiliate program. It will take you directly there where you can verify your email address. They want to verify that you are a real person, that you are a human. And once all of that verification process, which is just a couple clicks and steps, are done, then you can get set up with your own OnlineBusiness.App affiliate link, and you can help share some of the digital products, which are amazing, and physical products like this hat or this shirt that I rock right now, which are very comfortable and very stylish. I rock them all the time. So I appreciate your time. You guys have a fantastic evening. At any time, you can holla at your boy. My name is Michael Wright, and I am out. You guys have a fantastic night.